This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
Very busy forecast for the next couple of days here in West Michigan, but at least from this look of downtown in this particular direction, we're not seeing any reductions in visibility. There are some lake effect bands out there, making it a little challenging to drive with near whiteout conditions in those isolated spots. We're still 15 in Grand Rapids, but a west wind of 17 miles an hour pulse that feels like down to -1, and we'll see both of those numbers, the temperatures and the feels like, continue to drop, as lake effect snow is also an issue for us on and off overnight and through tomorrow. Winter weather advisory continues through 1 p.m. tomorrow for additional snow, but it's going to be the blowing snow and slick roads and reduced visibility that are probably the biggest impacts from any snow that remains. Right now, the best chance of anything happening that is going to be affecting any kind of travel is along 96 and north. We have one of these bands just to the south of Kentwood pushing along M50, and then one into Ionia County, along with northern Kent County, a few little bands there as well, and that extends back into Muskegon. So we're still dealing with the snow. It's just taking a little bit of a backseat to these plunging temperatures. We're down to 10 for Big Rapids, 16 in Hastings, and 19 for South Haven, but temperatures are going to fall very rapidly over the next several hours as some very cold air that's hanging out back in the Dakotas into Minnesota and Wisconsin gets closer to us here in West Michigan. And these are actual temperatures that you're seeing in Minnesota and North Dakota in the -20 range, and that's why it is going to be so cold for us, because we're going to get that air and it's not going to modify. Cold alerts have been posted for most of the region to account for this extreme cold. And the darker blue extreme cold warning for areas along and north of 96 is for wind chills for tomorrow morning, -15 to -30. The cold weather advisory for areas to the south, the lighter blue, is -10 to -25 wind chills. But it doesn't really matter where within this area you fall. It's going to be dangerously cold. You should limit your time outside and protect your exposed skin to avoid any kind of frostbite setting in. Actual temperatures for early tomorrow morning should dip to around -4. Some, especially north, will be even colder than that, and we're going to have trouble getting much beyond around 3 degrees for our high tomorrow. The last time it was -4 was exactly 1 year ago, which is pretty crazy, but Saturday morning's low of -12, well, the last time it was that cold was February 17th, 2021. So it's been a little while since that's happened, so this could feel like a little bit of a shock to the system. Those feels like temperatures tomorrow morning, they're going to be at the worst, anywhere from maybe -25 to -35 in spots, and continue to stay in that -15 to -25 through the entire day. Saturday morning will be about the same, even though actual temperatures will be much lower. It's because the wind will be coming down slightly. So we have a lot going on. Potential for some record cold highs on Saturday, and then still staying incredibly cold next week.